Hey, check it out, folks. Hey, look, I ain't got all that hype. Listen, you done already read the thumbnail, you done seen it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you today how to make, listen, everybody be talking to me about these spaghetti sauces and all that. I make it all kind of ways, but now I'm finna tell you and show you what I put out when I'm ready to just like take it like extremely over the top. And I'm gonna be honest with you, once you make it like this, and once you make it one time, this is probably gonna be your go-to. Okay, so look, I want you guys to see like some of these ingredients right here, right? And as always, listen, everything that I do, like ingredients, the amounts and everything will be down in the description box below. But I want to get hung up right here. You see this right here? These are Branch and Vine products, right? Listen, if you guys can get these, I highly suggest that you get them because these will be level up. These are infused olive oils, right? So if I turn this right here, look, this is scallion. And then right here, look, this is probably like my favorite. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, scallion, garlic, either way, got a little bit of a different profile. You guys know the difference of what they are, but I, mostly cook and use these. So you look, when I get them, I usually get 4 bottles at a time. You know what I mean? So look, this is the garlic. These right here are the level ups, right? So look, you can see I've already diced things down. Listen, I'm trying to like refine my videos where you guys ain't gotta watch me do no knife work or nothing like that. Not that I know what I'm doing anyway, but look, don't forget, down in the description box below. So now I'm gonna say, let's cook. Okay, so look, now we're getting ready to get into the meat and potatoes, right? So look, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start with my garlic, right? This right here, look, when you use the right ingredients, folks, this is what levels up your food. This right here be more like high-end, restaurant, but still real affordable though, you know what I mean? So put a little oil in here, a little bit of this garlic infused. I already set this up, I'm checking my heat. I'm using like a medium flame right now, right? So now I'm finna bring some joy to myself. I'm gonna go ahead and get my press. I'm just loading it up. That's all I'm doing as my oil is coming up to temp. Okay, so listen, I can smell it and I can tell you we got some nice heat underneath the bottom, right? So now this is 2 bell peppers. I like bell pepper. You guys can tailor make it the way you like to do it, but for me, this is the way I get down. Listen, it's a whole lot of flavor, and that's what we doing, folks. Okay. So look, we're not gonna take these all the way down, right? We just give these, for me, if you guys are using like a medium low, I reduce my heat down to a medium low. Started out with medium, but you know what? I did that because now I'm getting ready to introduce my garlic, right? So now I'm gonna put a smile on my face with this right here. Hey, take a look at that right there. Just tell me, hey, listen, the sound, the whole shebang. Okay, so I got all my cans open. Now we'll just go ahead and start adding it, our tomatoes, right? I want you guys to pay attention. I'll show you in just one second, just the cans I use. And I'll put it down in the description box below. If you want to have it to be over the top, I was told they grate these right here, right? So I'll just hold it up, show it to you guys like that. These are the best ones you want to do if you're making spaghetti sauce, from the very beginning, right? All right, so look, take a look. Whole tomatoes. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cook these down. I usually cook these down for about 3 hours, right? So, and then I left it like this before I stir it up. You see that right there? That's the olive oil. Look at the color right there. That's the garlic, the fresh garlic we added to it, right? So we started with garlic infused olive oil, then we added some fresh to send it up over the top, right? Not that it wasn't over the top already, but look at the color right there. Was it green? What was that? That was that bell pepper. So listen, I just wanted to keep it separated like that so you guys can see and just think about all of that goodness inside of this, right? So we got the rest to add. Our red chili flakes, basil, and then right here we go with a little oregano. And then last, you see this? Just the tomato paste. I like what this does as far as color and the flavor that it adds. Now, we just go ahead and start mixing this up. Now I'm gonna look at my fire, right? This is a big pot. We don't wanna burn nothing, right? But we wanna get everything incorporated. Ooh, man. Can you see how it's going? Now look, the longevity, because we're gonna cook these down where they get soft. And then what we want these to do is just to dissolve. So it takes about 3 hours, right? Okay, so look, it's been 2 hours, right? I'm gonna go ahead and take this top off. Ah, yeah, that's what we wanna see right there. That right there is real nice. Let's just smooth this. I like to hit the bottom. Look, there's nothing on the bottom, nothing sticking. Listen, as long as you're not using that high heat, it's good. You can look it right there. But I want you to take a look at the tomatoes. Look, they're starting to just like break down. Now I told you I'd like to do these for like at least 3 hours. The longer the better, but 3 hours will get you in the game. Now I'm gonna lift this up. Let me just do it like this. So you can just see how soft that is right there. You know what I mean? Hey, look at that right there. Ooh wee. See that bell pepper and all of that on there? This is what you want. And you can see, look how delicate it is. One more hour and this will be right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my top back on. We're gonna go for one more hour and then we're gonna start getting our, our meat together. Okay, folks, so look, now I done brought this back over here. Look, we've been going 3 hours. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show it to you, right? Let me just go ahead, and I'm gonna use this right now just to show you. After 3 hours, I like to run the square edge wooden spoon right under the bottom like this, right? Just to ensure nothing, stick. Now, we'll just start adding this here. Look at this right here. And that's up to you guys. I like a meaty sauce. This step right here could have been completely, skipped if you didn't want to have no meat. Okay, so look, it's cooled down a little bit. Notice I got myself a towel, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna put this, like this so that I don't burn my hand, right? So look, get yourself a ladle, you know what I mean? Don't fill it up like I was about to do. Just set it here. It might get a little messy. It depends on how your pouring skills are. You know what I mean? As you can see, mine ain't the best. But look, I just put it in here just like you see. Okay, so if we put it down like right here, it is hot. Now, I just take my top, which got the little dimple right there, and while it's on here, I just stick it on here like this. And while it stays hot, you just put this on here. I know I'm preaching to the choir, I know you guys know it, but this is for all my new people to just, some of us don't know. And look, right now it's like this. As I let this sit, it's gonna suck this in and suck it all the way down, and then it's gonna form a nice tight seal. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up a few more of these jars, you know what I mean? Then I'm gonna leave enough for the pasta that I have made, and then we're gonna get down. We're gonna cook that, with the pasta just for about another 30 minutes. Okay, so now for the best part, listen, we finna introduce, our noodles, right? Noodles, pasta, whatever you guys wanna call it, strings, but this that angel hair, folks. This is what you want. For me, you know what I mean? I got it. Some people don't like to do the angel hair. I done heard it all. You know what I mean? It doesn't make a difference. Man, you can use any type of pasta noodle, swirls, shells. It doesn't make a difference. But this right here keep you a little bit more authentic, Okay, so look, now it's the moment of truth. Listen, I done cooked this down for about 45 minutes. Just let it sit in there. Listen, spaghetti to me is always better the next day, right? So listen, if you make this like on a Saturday morning or something like that, it depends on when you make it. You know what, you can let it sit up. The longer it sits up, the longer that pasta noodle, that spaghetti absorbs the sauce, right? So listen, I'm not gonna go ahead and take none, put none on the plate right now because I'm gonna let it sit up, but I'm gonna go ahead and get me some, all right? So check it out. Gotta get some of this sauce too. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna get down the way. You know what? Just my mama was teaching me how to be bougie. You know what I mean? You can see it's not really cooked on there like I would like it to be. You know what I mean? Because you gotta let it sit up and cool, right? But this right here is good. You know what? But I'm gonna go in here and get some of that because I gotta have some of that meat too. Hey, so check this out. Hey, when I tell you it's good, it's good. And I just happen to like spaghetti. Hey, listen, I love spaghetti. Grew up on it. So look, I put the top on here because listen, I had to wait a minute. I had to go ahead and get myself a little bowl, get me a little bit. But what I'm doing now is I'm finna let it sit up for a little while. Let it just, let the pasta absorb that, that spaghetti sauce. Because listen, we did a lot of work to get a lot of flavor. Hey, you guys just gotta trust the process. And then look, then you can see these. Man, you do this a couple of times. Actually, I make my spaghetti sauce before I even make the spaghetti because I like to do this work and then put it up and have it ready. So when I'm ready to make it, bam, it's nothing but a heat up and go. Hey, with that being said, I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below. Answer all the questions I asked, but I really want to know how you guys like yours. Whether you like yours pasta and sauce on that, then on your plate, or would you like yours the same way I like mine? Put the pasta inside of your sauce, cook it all together, and then let it sit up and then eat it that way. Hey, so with that being said, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and I want you guys to tell everybody out there, listen, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, listen, for all of the people that I have ran into, because I've been running into a lot of people, especially in Vegas. I've seen you, I just want to say, hey, much love to all the love that you guys show me. And don't forget, listen, I got some merch. It's down underneath this video. It'll be linked to the #1 comment. Get yourself these aprons, folks. Get out here and let's grill, let's cook in the kitchen. And guess what, folks? I'm out. Peace.